Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your payment sources. First, add and verify the card in Apple Wallet. This is the card Apple Pay will use. Once done, open the PayPal app and tap Wallet, then link a card or bank. Choose the exact same card or enter its details manually. Make sure billing addresses match. This step creates a card record PayPal can charge. It does not yet route Apple Pay payments through PayPal automatically, but it establishes the funding. Next, you tell PayPal to use that card when you pay. In PayPal's wallet, set the linked card as your preferred payment method. This makes it the default funding source. When you check out on a merchant that supports PayPal and Apple Pay, choose PayPal Checkout, then select the linked card as the funding source. You might see an option to pay with Apple Pay directly. If so, confirm the linked card is the one shown before authorizing with Face ID or Touch ID. To finish, authorize the charge using Apple Pay's biometric or passcode prompt. This authorizes PayPal to draw from the linked card. If the payment fails, check that the card verification step completed in PayPal and that there are no holds, 3D secure prompts, or spending limits. If you see an error, retry after syncing Wallet and PayPal or contact your bank to confirm mobile payments are allowed. If problems persist, reach out to PayPal support with transaction ID and error code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.